What's going on, guys? So today we're trying probably one of the most interesting flavor combinations ever for both Oreos as well as Coca-Cola. So did a little switcheroo. We have Oreo flavored Coca-Cola and then Coca-Cola flavored Oreos. So yeah, that's pretty cool actually. I'm very excited to try this. I saw it online. I immediately had to go try it. Alright, so what do we start with? First of all, I'm sweating. Today was like 46 degrees out this morning, freezing. Got out early, put on a long sleeve shirt, and it just warmed up quick. It's weird. This weather's weird. It's the time of year where it's like freezing in the morning and then burning in the afternoon. But hey, you know, last the summer before fall sets in. Speaking of fall, at the store, pumpkins are out and everything. If you got a pumpkin in front of your house, it's a little early. I'm not judging you, just saying. All right, so let's try the drink first because I feel like the Oreo is gonna like really coat my mouth. All right, so these are zero sugar. I don't think, at least I didn't see a full sugar version of this, and I've only seen the bottles. I think there's bottles, but either way, there's boxes of the mini cans. Now I will say these mini cans are absolutely perfect if they sold them as singles, which they don't. So when they have funky new flavors for any drink, I mean, I would love to see a small little can like this in a refrigerator at the grocery store, ice cold for you, ready to go for like $2. They just don't do that. You got to get like a big bottle for like almost $3, whatever, or you have to get a case. In my case, I had to buy a case of these, which is probably, I don't know, $6 or $7 for just like a few mini ones. But anyway, gotta try it. You got it. All right, smells like Coke, predominantly. It's black. There's no point in pouring it into a glass here, but it smells kind of sweet, like marshmallowy. That's it. If anything, it's more like Coke vanilla, the smell, but cheers, let's see. All right, first of all, this is warm. I just literally walked in the door. I didn't even have a chance to put it in the refrigerator or anything to cool it off. There's definitely an Oreo there. Weird. It's very carbonated. It definitely tastes like I dunked an Oreo in Coca-Cola, which actually is not good. The flavor is not bad. Definitely like a very specific like Oreo chocolate flavor, but more so a lot of that cream. That cream from an Oreo, that flavor is really in here. That's where that vanilla is coming from, that sweetness is coming from. Super carbonated and warm, which is not it. I have to try this cold too, but yeah, I mean, I think they did good with the flavor. It's just, I don't know if that's a flavor we want. It's interesting though. Fizzy, cookie flavored. Interesting. All right, well, that's that. I'm not going to do separate videos. I'm going to put these together. We're going to try these Oreo or Coca-Cola flavored Oreos. All right, so it says Coca-Cola flavored with popping candy. So obviously when you drink soda, there's carbonation, so they want to give you that fizzy feeling. So let's see what it's like. Is this top open? Yes, it does. All right. I'm sure you've seen these a million times already. Every food person, they're on it like that, man. Something new comes out. People have videos. So they look double stuffed. They are double stuffed. Holy smoke, they smell... Oh, they smell really, really good. It's weird because it's, I don't like, you know, if you didn't tell me it's Coke flavored, I wouldn't be like, oh, they smell like Coca-Cola. They just smell really good. It's hard to pinpoint really what that smells like. Oreo, Coca-Cola with popping candy. It doesn't say double stuffed, but this is very much double stuffed. Oh, whoops. Hold on, let's put this over here. Right? I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully it's focusing on the cookie. I can't tell because I'm blocking my view. That's double stuffed. Just saying. Alright, so first I have to try just the cookie. You can see this cool, you know, there's different Coke themes. I like the red and black. That's kind of cool. Alright, so just the red cookie. That tastes just like a vanilla Oreo cookie. So if you ever had the vanilla ones or the white ones and just a cookie, that's that. So there's no flavoring in the red side. Let's try just the cream. Yeah. So weird. You're getting the popping too. So the cream, here those Pop Rocks come, which feels fizzy. It feels like carbonation, you know. So weird in a cookie, in an Oreo. But anyway, so there's definitely a Coca-Cola or cola syrup flavor in the cream itself with the popping candy. All right, I'm gonna try just the Oreo cookie, but I'm gonna get this cream off here first. All right, so let's get this down. And then of course we'll bite into one like a normal person. Although I say normal person, but how many people really take them apart? I don't eat Oreos very often, despite what you may think. Especially if you're foreign. You're like, oh, you Americans and your Oreos. I probably legitimately eat Oreos 4 times in a year, I would say. Like, I don't buy them. Honestly, it's too expensive. Junk food is expensive. Right? It's expensive as it is buying regular food like dinners and you know, lunches and breakfast, but snacks and stuff, that's expensive crap. I think that junk food purchases are on the fall, if you ask me. But anyway. Alright. Popping is coming to an end. Let's try just the chocolate side. Nope. It's just a chocolate cookie, which is delicious. Oreo chocolate's good. Alright. Let's try one how they're intended to be eaten. So you have chocolate flavor, vanilla flavor, Coke flavor cream with a fizzy action. Here we go. Yeah. Even with the cookies, the Coke syrup flavor that's in the cream is enough where it comes out. So you definitely taste it. It definitely tastes like cola. I wouldn't say like, oh, that's specifically Coca-Cola. It's just cola flavored Oreo, which works. It's really good, actually. And then the vanilla one side and the chocolate other side, you kind of get a little bit of both of those. The flavor is kind of coming in waves. When you first bite it, you're getting a lot of the vanilla side of the cookie, I think. Like initially, right off the bat. Then you get a little chocolate. Then that Coke really just, you know, coats your tongue as you're chewing and moving stuff around your mouth. But yeah, that's weird. I love that there's constant new flavors. You know, there's nothing wrong with an original Oreo. There's no reason to have a million bajillion flavors. And by the way, the pumpkin spice ones are out as well. I saw those. If that's your thing. But I love that it's an experience. It's something different. Oddly enough, I do think these would be fantastic in milk. Although I think pretty much every Oreo is good in milk as well. So, I don't have any milk in front of me to try that, but you have to trust me. So anyway, that's it. The Coke Oreo flavored combination. That's crazy stuff, right? Check it out. This was at a Walmart. All right, I do not know if it's exclusive to Walmart or not, but stuff like this sells out right away. The cookies there was, I think, 4 packs left. The Coke, there was a bunch of them. So I don't know if people got into the Coke, you know, as much, or I don't know how much was originally delivered, but people really stocked up on these cookies. So anyway, that's it. And the Coke with the Oreo in your mouth still, just too carbonated, you know. Can't really drink soda with a lot of different foods. It's a weird thing. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you tried these, what you think of it. It's a flash in the pan thing. It's not like this is the most amazing flavor. I hope to do this every year. It's not like that at all. It's very much novelty, but it's a cool novelty and it works. They did a good job with flavor. So that's my take on it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.